Australia is made up of roughly 26 million people. There's about 2.6 million small business owners in Australia. That means there are 23.4 million people on paper that don't get you. They don't get your thinking. They're not business owners. They're going to think you're a complete whack job. That's 1 in 10 people is even close to the environment you operate in. What does that mean? We got different incentives, different pressure, different consequences. You don't carry payroll. They don't make decisions that can wipe out years of work in one bad call. They don't trade uncertainty for upside every single freaking day. So when your friends and family give you freaking advice like this as a business owner, say, just relax. Why are you working so hard? You work too much. Get off your phone. Take a break. Why don't you just switch off for the weekend? From their game, that advice makes sense. From your game, that's irrelevant and annoying. Now, here's where it gets really even smaller. Inside this 10% of the Australian population that make up business owners, they're not all the same. You've got some good operators, right? You've got some bad operators. You've got some average ones, right? So now you're not down to 1 of 10. You're now maybe like 1 of 50. Now think of it when it comes to a life partner, a business partner, or close friends, or even advisors. You're not choosing from the whole population of like 26 million people anymore. You're choosing from a fraction of a fraction. Let's be really dramatic here, and honest. That's 1% of 1%. That's why it feels so lonely. This is why conversations feel so shallow. This is why you stop explaining yourself. Most business owners think, why don't people get me? Wrong question. The right question is, why would they? They don't see the risk. They don't feel the downside. They don't live with the same consequential loop, right? I think is the big breakthrough here is you don't need to be understood by everybody. You need a few people who get the game, a partner who understands risk, a circle that speaks your language. The big takeaway is this: being misunderstood as a business owner is not a bug. It's actually a feature.